Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Takes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the Claymore kick from out of nowhere. I think John Cena.
Nice. Okay. Oh, Finley.
No means no, you fucking human. I'm not fucking thirsty. Are you serious right now? Can you move too, bitch? Oh my god, you guys literally...
You wanna go? You wanna go swimming?
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this? Did you do this?
Hey Daisy, you want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh!
You broke it.
Are you grumpy? Are you a grumpy little gremlin? Are you a little grumpert wearing your grumpy pantaloons?
Man, this greedy son of a bitch. He ate that whole bowl and didn't even bother to look at me. He knows vanilla's my favorite.
Deixa eu pegar ela, meu. 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 Oh, você vai morder forte.
So I moved my room upstairs, but there's one little problem. Wick doesn't know how to go up the steps.
It was 70. There were 3 at 15 under. Currently 14 pound in Adam Scott.
Vamos a ver qué me encuentro por aquí de bueno. ¡Ah! Un gato. Mami, un gato. Míralo. ¡Ah! Venga. ¡Ah, me pegó! No, 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 no. Vámonos.
There's a power button. Boop, boop. What? Damn, bro, you scared me.
Look at the little baby. It's just a wee little baby holding on to his mama. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Cuties.
Come on, Marco, get the chicken out. Say, get out. Say, get out the house. Good girl. Hurt the chicken. Don't bite the chicken's neck.
off. You walking on a sausage dog cult.
Are you ready to go to bed? Huh?
Wanna go upstairs? You're sitting on a step like a person. If she wants to go to bed, she will sit on that step.
God damn it. Avery, hey!
Rachel. What? That is a predator.
He's not a predator.
What are you?
A lo que yo dime.
This is Henry. This is Leo.
Oh, no, 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 no. It fucking windy.
What a big baby!
Gail?
What are you doing?
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what do I give a shit? What in the hell do I care? I don't. There's no...
No.
Let me clean your feet. Please. They're dirty. They are. Jackson, come on. You're so annoying.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Oh my god. Let's go to Gus because that stinks. Oh. That's gross.